Want to remind our youth who are here of the words of the Prophet ﷺ. He says that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promises to protect 7 categories of believers on the Day of Judgment. Sab'atun yudhilluhumullahu fi dhillihi yawma la dhilla illa dhilluhu. 7 categories Allah will protect on the Day of Judgment, on a day when there is no protection except that from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. One of the 7 categories of believers, Shabun nasha'a fi ibadati rabbih. A young person, a youth who spends their youthful days worshipping Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Shabun nasha'a fi ibadati rabbih. And this is what I want you to remember in these difficult times, when it's difficult to practice Islam. There's so much shahawat and temptations and distractions out there that sometimes it's difficult to practice your Islam regularly day after day. But remember these words of the Prophet ﷺ and be strengthened and be inspired to practice your Islam.